Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about making Badusha. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half spoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of raw milk, two tablespoons of yogurt, two tablespoons of ghee, and mix everything well. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, knead it well and cover it with a cloth and leave for 15 minutes. Until then, I'll make sugar syrup for that. Place the pan on medium heat. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cardamoms, add 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice, take some sugar syrup and check whether there is a string between your 2 fingers and then switch off the flame. Now make small balls and by using your thumb, just give a little press in the middle and fry it on oil, but make sure the oil is on medium heat. After frying it, leave it for half an hour and pour the sugar syrup on them. So guys, after 5 minutes, your Badusha is ready to grab.